Cold air intakes fix one big problem on the 2.7 Tacoma. The factory setup chokes airflow and heat soaks the engine. More cold air means better throttle, sound, and efficiency. I've checked real reviews and daily driving results. All product links are waiting for you in the video description. Starting with number 3, Volant. This intake is all about controlled airflow and heat management. The Venturi filter adapter smooths air through the mass airflow sensor, and reviews praise the cooler intake temps in traffic. The sealed air box pulls real ambient air, making it a solid daily driver upgrade with a mild but noticeable power bump. Number 2 is Aries, the budget brawler. Owners love the aggressive sound and quick throttle response right after install. The aluminum heat shield with reflective mat helps fight engine bay heat, and reviews often mention better gas mileage. It's not fancy, but for the price, the gains and tone feel totally worth it. Number 1 is K&N, the crowd favorite. This system delivers proven gains with consistent real-world results. Reviews highlight smoother acceleration, a deep intake growl, and long service intervals. The mandrel bent tube and oiled cotton filter flow strong, making it ideal for both daily driving and light performance builds. Bottom line, any of these intakes will wake up your 2.7 Tacoma, but your pick depends on budget and priorities. All product links are in the video description, so check them out. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more real truck upgrades.